Good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Analisa Asis Bacalso, 27 years of age, single, no kids, college graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
I have an experience in Al Ain Road, 7 months,
Why not finish contract?
because they are not following the duties.
Okay, how about your experience in Abu Dhabi?
I have also experience in Abu Dhabi for 4 years, finished contract,
As a...
chef de party.
Okay, how about third employer?
I have experience in Philippines, 4 years, finished contract, as a housemaid.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer in Al Ain, Abu Dhabi?
Taking care of 5 years old kids, ironing, cleaning, cooking, washing.
And did you take care of the children?
Yes, 4 children.
What the ages?
20 years old, 15 years old, 19 years old, and 10 years old.
Okay, how about second employer?
Cleaning, ironing, washing, taking care of the kids.
What the ages of taking care of the children?
15 years old.
How about the Abu Dhabi third employer?
Cooking,
What? Like cooking, like...
cooking food like Chinese food, Filipino food, Italian, Russian, and
Okay, can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly? Can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
like cook food, feeding them, make sure that they're healthy and clean.
Please
Like
tell
my-
us some of your skills.
I'm hardworking, multitasking, multitasking, honest.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I promise I will finish my 2 years contracts. God bless.
Thank you so much.